Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Before we dive into today's review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Xiaomi 290000Pa portable vacuum cleaner. This powerful handheld robot vacuum cleaner is not only perfect for keeping your home, car, and office clean, but it also offers the convenience of being wireless. With its strong suction power of 290000Pa, you can be sure that it will easily tackle dust, pet hair, and any other dirt in its path. One of the best things about this vacuum cleaner is its portability. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to use and maneuver, ensuring that no corner or tight space is left untouched. Whether you're tackling carpet, hardwood, or upholstery, this vacuum cleaner will be your go-to appliance. The Xiaomi portable vacuum cleaner is also equipped with a long-lasting battery, allowing you to clean for extended periods without the need for constant recharging. And with its advanced filtration system, it effectively captures fine dust particles, keeping your environment clean and breathable. Why settle for mediocre cleaning performance when you can have the Xiaomi 290000Pa portable vacuum cleaner? Say goodbye to the hassle of conventional vacuum cleaners and upgrade to this efficient and convenient device. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make your cleaning routine a breeze. If you're ready to experience the difference for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description to get your hands on this Xiaomi portable vacuum cleaner. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cleaning!